So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add squares to your presentation here on Keynote. So once Keynote's opened up, go to the top to where it says shapes and press on that. Make sure that basic is selected. You can also go to geometry as well if you're looking for maybe more of a 3D option or whatever. But I just go to the top and press on basic, and this square option right here is what you're looking for. So if you want to make it larger, you can go ahead and do that. You can make it smaller as well, whatever the case may be. You can also change the color of the square as well. So if you want to change this to a different color, you can go ahead and just play around with it, whatever you want to do. It is completely up to you. So very basic, very straightforward, but that is how to add squares to a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.